Then when it's a snake, they shy away thoda sa karte hain. But what they don't know is like it's actually so good to be a snake. Then he said like, why don't you like mera gari mein like, heater on kar dega. You sleep here, it's okay. And I was like, I was very uncomfortable. I heard the car start. He was taking me somewhere. I got so scared. He was so drunk. Probably he had taken some. जैसे उसने वो दरवाज़ा खोला, I picked up my boot and I ran for my life. Somebody who's like, that like adventurous kind of soul, if you make that person, like LDC, UDC में उसको जबरदस्त बिठा दे, it's like, वो ऐसे बैठे-बैठे मर जाएगा. It's not just about biking. For them, it's like, stress buster. It gives them new ideas. They come back rejuvenated. It's just different feeling. Like when I sit on a bike, like I forget everything and I'm like so happy. I don't know किस चीज़ के लिए क्या इतना हमको अच्छा लग रहा है, हमको भी खुद ही समझ नहीं आता, लेकिन मैं इतना खुश हो जाती हूँ मैं. So I cannot explain. I wouldn't name the tribe. So they started with curtains and all like that in the traditional prints patterns. So again the elders were like, like क्यों curtain sofa set क्यों बना दिया? It's like you're disrespecting and all. I cannot patent it because those designs were forever existing. We picked up the designs of our culture and we've used. So it has to be our own creation.
Correct.
अभी मैं अपना creation करूँ तो फिर वो traditional ही नहीं रहेगा.
Meto, welcome.
Thank you, sir.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing good. I remember we spoke last time around in a similar setting.
Yes, but that was more formal. So
Ah.
this is more informal. So I like it here.
That was more formal because you just had your talk as a Sissy Talk speaker.
Yes.
And then, and then,
And you were new to me too. So
Absolutely,
now I
absolutely.
know you better. So
Yeah.
I feel more at home.
yeah, thank you. I mean, we have more chill vibe now.
Yes.
All right, you are known as the first registered bullet rider of our state.
Yes.
There's so many women riding bullet. What's the big deal? I mean, how are you unique? How are you, let's say, put in that pedestal?
Honestly, like you said, it's like there's no big deal about it also. It's not like I'm the best rider also. And there have been bikers before me, one or two of them. Like I know some auntie who used to ride and all like that. And like एक दो तो था ऐसे करके. But I think why it's थोड़ा highlight हो रहा है is because most of them were usually riding their father's bike or their brother's bike. ऐसा करके था. But mine is like बुलेट में like I was the first to buy. वो टाइम में ना एक परसेप्शन ऐसा था कि बुलेट इतना हैवी है कि लड़की तो कैरी ही नहीं कर पाएगी. It's like such a like, are you sure you want to bike like ride a bullet? And
How did you convince your parents?
I just said I always wanted to buy a bullet. I don't know why. And it's like just because I'm a biker, people expect me to know everything about biking. It's like, so what do you think about that bike? What do you think about that thing? Like, and even go like for like right now Miss Arunachal also, you said like, so what do you think this and that? It's the thing. The fact is I don't know everything of it. I'm like fashion में भी मुझे इतना interest भी नहीं है, और though I'm a designer now and मुझे इतना पता भी नहीं है. I just know कि अच्छा लगता है. बाइक में भी इतना ज़्यादा ये बाइक ये है वो है, इतना वो नॉलेज भी नहीं है, इतना इंटरेस्ट भी नहीं है. आई जस्ट नीड अ बुलेट. एंड देन बिफोर बाइंग व्हाट आई डिड इज लाइक रोड साइड में किसी का बुलेट वो पार्क करके रखेगा. So I like when the rider goes inside to buy something, I'll just sit on it and I'll see like if I can lift it or not.
Okay.
And it was like I could not even lift it. ऐसा होता था. It's like नहीं होता है मेरे से. But I thought like नहीं लेकिन लेना ही है, because I don't know why. But then wait, that time what I didn't know is like the pressure and all that. And then when it's yours, obviously you'll have to ride it. And it's like दूसरा का सामान तो you इतना डर कर use करते हैं कि you cannot. So it's like if you really want to learn driving, if you really want to know how to ride a bike, you have to have your own. क्योंकि you're always scared कि अगर मैं गिरा दूँ उसका तो मैं क्या बोलूँगी, अगर वो क्या बोलेगा. And so when it's yours, कुछ भी हो जाए, it's yours, right? So bullet में I was the first bullet rider from Arunachal, because it was my bullet. It was the first registered bullet rider in a girl's name.
Oh, by registration you mean the
Yes. Yes.
vehicle registration.
Yes, vehicle registration. No one
Okay.
had actually purchased
Okay.
ever. Then formally me like
Okay.
thing. So that's how it's Bullet mein first hu. Like in other bikes, like one or two girls were already doing it.
I thought that there was some certificate that was given to you that.
No certificate.
So is there any like evidence that you were the first, or has it been said by somebody?
See, it's like when uh, people like appreciate करने में बहुत कम होता है, but when it comes to criticism and all, like
Huh.
so when I'm putting up something in my portfolio, like the first Bullet rider, obviously there's somebody who's always going to come up and try to like
the question that I just asked.
Yes.
Like, what do you say
They-
that?
so like when they say also like, oh, I saw a thing, so किसी ने वो बाइक के सामने बैठ कर फोटो खींच दिया, so that does not make her first Bullet rider, right?
Mhm.
So I say like prove it, like give me some information where like like show me the registration, show me her bike, it's in her name, uska RC दिखाओ. वो फिर nobody has been able to. There have been people who have questioned, but nobody has been able to prove it. So I would really love it, and there's no big deal about like मुझे ही first बनना है, मैं ही हूँ ऐसे करके. But yeah, अगर first है तो it's like why not, right?
Yeah.
अच्छा लगता है.
So
But
there has been nobody to prove you otherwise.
yes, they have questioned. They have even taken names of some people and said like she's the first, this and that and all like that. But again, it's their brothers or father's bike. Like ऐसे थोड़ा सा ride कर दिया, this and that. But खरीदा नहीं किसी ने.
You have ridden other bikes as well, right?
Yes.
So what's so special about Bullet?
Stability heavy है ना, बहुत stable है. इसलिए when you ride you feel so much in control, like अच्छा लगता है बहुत. फिर there are some other bikes which are so heavy. It's like not just for a girl but for a guy also. It's like so heavy to handle. So इतना heavy लेकर others ना इतना light होता है ना, वो पूरा speed करे तो पूरा हिलने लग जाता है पूरा. So Bullet में ऐसा नहीं होता है. So I like Bullet that way, and nothing beyond that technical issue, the part of it, and I don't know, I don't understand.
You just like the
also.
feel of
I
it.
just love the feel of it.
So you bought your Bullet in which year?
2000, I forgot, yeah. Was it
Okay, fine.
2017, I think, huh?
Is it still here? I mean, you are riding the same one.
Yeah, no, I'm riding the second bike because the first Bullet was stolen within a month of purchase.
Oh, really?
I was so heartbroken because it took me forever to buy that Bullet, and then उसके बाद में वो गुम हो जाना, it was so traumatic for me.
So where all you went? You have ridden through your Bullet?
ज़्यादा नहीं, just in and around Arunachal and Shillong में थोड़ा, and recently हम लोग Mago गए थे, Tawang side and all. Then I went with a group of friends, but while coming back I did a solo ride. That's when थोड़ा सा highlight होके थोड़ा मेरा followers बढ़ गया, this and that, and I don't understand these algorithms also. कब कैसे followers बढ़ा देता है, कब कम कर देता है, this and that and all.
I did see one of your reels where you were really, it seemed like you were asking for some SOS, like you were stranded somewhere or something. Like I saw snowfalls or some, heavy rain and
yeah.
something like that.
That was me when I was coming back from Tawang.
Uh-huh.
So it started raining like incessantly. इतना rain हो रहा था, and it's like इतना ठंडा था. I was like freezing, and actually because I'm working, I don't get time to ride a lot and all. So कभी क्या होता है ना, सामान खरीद के रख देती हूँ, then उसके बाद में वो misplace हो जाता है. So it's like when I went also, I did not go with the right gear, with the right gloves. वो leather वाला लेकर नहीं गई थी. So वो पानी से पूरा भीग गया ठंड से, and I don't drink. But then like ऐसा हो गया था कि I was like literally shivering. So I stopped at one place, and then there were some ladies sitting in some hut, like, and I said, can I dry myself off thoda sa? It's like I'm literally freezing. So that lady, she gave me Ara. You know Ara, right?
Yeah, I said
Uh-huh.
local. It's an alcohol, right?
Yes. So वो बोला कि मुझे वो पियो. I said, I don't drink. It's like नहीं, पी लो आपने, बहुत ठंड. It's like you have a long journey ahead. You're going to freeze to death. And that was before reaching Dirang. That's where I had stopped. इतना ठंड लग रहा था, I could barely, and the visibility was so low because it was raining so much. वो आरा पीने के बाद, it was just a small shot, okay. I did not know it will affect so much. इसके बाद literally I flew all the way till Bomdila. It's like I wasn't even feeling cold. इतना I didn't know how powerful that was. क्या था, but I literally flew, and I was like all like चलो आई कैन गो टिल ईटानगर ऑल्सो, अभी तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, ऐसा हो गया था।
I want to go in your mind when the ARA was offered. Did you exactly like अभी पी लेता हूँ, like you had some reservations कि क्यों लूँ कैसा लूँ, मैं तो पीता नहीं हूँ and all.
In fact, I did not have reservation because once एक बार मैं पासीघाट में गई थी. So that was the first time I was camping with a whole group of guys and all like that. So the guys and all, they were like drinking and all like, and they said, you know, like by the riverside at night it gets really cold. आप थोड़ा पी लो, because that time I never used to drink like apong ये सब कुछ भी नहीं. So I said no I don't want to drink and all like that. लेकिन that night I almost froze to death. इतना ठंड लगा. So when that woman she offered me that ara, I did not have second thoughts. I was like, you know, take it when you're getting it.
हाँ, जिंदा रहना है ना.
जिंदा रहना है.
Okay. So ऐसा और भी कुछ आपके पास stories है कि because I do remember
Hmm.
one comment that had come
Yes.
from our last discussion podcast. Somebody wanted to know more about your biking experience,
Okay.
and so
Uh, I think for a woman biker, it's very important to have everything ready. It's like, you know, कोई लड़का कुछ, you know, कहीं like if you're going for camping and all like that, वो अगर sleeping bag लेके जा रहा है, अपना tent लेके जा रहा है, you should be double sure that you have all of those. Because फिर क्या हो जाता है कि, you know, guys and all like कुछ छूट गया, they can just go and sleep together in a tent. They can make adjustments like that. But for a girl, it becomes really difficult. And getting out of your tent at night and like, you know, walking out can be quite dangerous and unsafe also. So it's like, you know, like
unsafe amongst your mates or
among
because you
mates.
the bikers group, I think they are like homies.
Yes, and they're very protective and they're very respectful of women bikers. I don't question them, but लेकिन एक ऐसा इंसिडेंट हुआ था पासीघाट में कि I was freezing, like इतना ठंडा था. Then I had my RAR, I am from Royal Arunachal Riders Club. So I had my friends, but I was too ashamed to go and knock. I thought, what if they misinterpret and like, you know, रात को
Yeah.
क्यों knock कर रही है and all like that.
हाँ,
So I was too ashamed to like, you know, just go to them. And I was shivering all night. I just couldn't sleep. I couldn't sleep. ऐसा हो गया था. So I walked out and I saw a few guys like partying. Like वहाँ में 3-4 लोग, like, you know, it must have been around 2-3 a.m. in the morning. They were still dancing and all like that. So when I was going and all, then there was one boy sitting in a car. And वो मुझे देखकर बोला कि it's like, madam, like कुछ problem है क्या? Because I was like just going on looking and all like that. So he's like, कुछ problem है क्या? And then I said like, actually I'm feeling so cold. Do you have an extra sleeping bag and all like that? Then he said like, you know, why don't you like मेरा गाड़ी में like, you know, heater on कर देगा. You sleep here. It's okay. And I was like, I was very uncomfortable. And he said like, आप वो कर, आप मैं बाहर चला जाऊँगा तो आप यहाँ पर. And I said, are you sure and all like that? And I thought like, ठीक है. Then I वो heater on कर दिया, सो रहा था. I was asleep. After some time वो बैक सीट में मैं सोई थी अच्छा से स्ट्रेच करके. Then after some time like I heard the car start. He was taking me somewhere.
oh my.
I got so scared. He was so drunk. I'm probably he had taken something and he was not from a biker group. क्या होता है कि ऐसे parties में ना friends आते हैं कभी some what do you call that, uninvited guests भी वो ऐसे ही like, you know, they just come in and like because it's late and there's so many people, they don't notice them. कौन आया है क्या है
So
you know.
is it a very exclusive group or anyone can come actually?
Bikers group ही आते हैं and they bring their friends. कभी क्या बोलते हैं, the party crashers kind of. They just come and
Party poopers? No, gate crashes.
gate crashers. I think it was one of them because we tried to find when I reported the incident next morning.
No, what
the guys
happened?
were so furious.
If you're comfortable sharing us, what exactly happened then?
That guy had bad intentions.
It's pretty evident. When you were talking with him,
Yeah,
wasn't he drunk that time? Couldn't you make out?
that's the sad part of it. I'm like really bad at recognizing people and like थोड़ा drunk वगैरह हम पता नहीं, ऊपर से थोड़ा dark था ना, इतना दिखाई नहीं दे रहा था. And I was like literally shivering and I thought he's like, you know, some biker लोग जो अपना गाड़ी लेके आया है. I thought, and I was a newbie, so I did not know how things work with the bikers. कौन आता है कौन नहीं आता है, कौन बाहर से आता है. So I thought he was you know, one of the people from पासीघाट rider ही कोई होता होगा and all like that. So वो जब बोला कि बैठ जाओ and all like that, and then I felt so grateful to him and थोड़ा सा बॉडी गर्म होने लगा है. He probably thought I slept off. So उसके बाद में he got into the car and वो start कर दिया and I'm like I could sense it, something is wrong. I literally stood up and I said like कहाँ जा रहा है? He's like नहीं कहीं नहीं जा रहा, थोड़ा से आगे जाएगा, थोड़ा आगे. He was trying to take me somewhere. I got so scared. Presence of mind. I just said like, you know, I really want to pee. It's like, let me just pee. And it was really hard convincing him. I think God was on my side or I don't know what. And then he said, okay, I'll just stop here and think, okay, I just said. उसके बाद में मैं जैसे ही उसने वो दरवाजा खोला, I picked up my boot and I ran for my life.
He didn't chase you?
No, he didn't chase. He didn't chase. I don't know. I just didn't look back. Maybe he did also, but I must have run.
So
Really.
how far were you from your original place, original location?
Maybe just about 10, what? 10, not 10 तो बहुत ज़्यादा हो
100
जाएगा.
meters?
हाँ.
Like 100 meters, you understand that,
हाँ
right?
हाँ
One part
yes
of the
yes
football field.
100 meters से तो थोड़ा ज़्यादा होगा.
हाँ तो आपका बदन वैसे भी गर्म हो गया
हाँ हाँ हाँ
दौड़ते
हुआ
हुए.
तो ऐसा तो रहा कि I didn't realize I actually covered the whole football ground kind of thing.
हाँ तो like जो
हाँ.
पर्पस सर्व हो गया.
क्योंकि वो थोड़ा सा गाड़ी को स्टार्ट करके थोड़ा आगे ले ही गया था ना. एंड थोड़ा सा वो स्लीपी भी था, थोड़ा माइंड भी काम नहीं कर रहा है. बाय द टाइम आई अंडरस्टूड कि व्हाट्स एक्चुअली हैपनिंग, सो मी ट्राइंग टू कन्विंस हिम टू टेक मी बैक, टेक मी टू दैट प्लेस आई वांट अ थिंग. एंड इसलिए बहुत खुला है, थोड़ा इधर घुमाओ उधर, ऐसे करते करते थोड़ा सा वो हो गया था. सो इट वाज रियली रियली दैट्स व्हाई लाइक यू नो फॉर अ गर्ल आई थिंक लाइक सब कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा रेडी होना है. एंड इट्स लाइक so that you don't have to go around asking people like, can you lend me
Were
this?
you the only girl?
That time I was the only girl. अभी तो बहुत सारा क्लब्स में लड़कियां आ गए, but that time I was the only girl.
Were you actually comfortable mentally, like to be around, you know?
I actually was because I actually grew up with a family of boys. मेरा जितना भी cousins है, they are all boys. So I grew up with 7 brothers. I'm always with the boys. So
it's
maybe
a normal thing for you. It's a routine thing for you.
हाँ, so it didn't feel I didn't feel out of place. And it was comfortable because I think our boys are very protective of our girls and all like that. And there was a lot of respect, the way they welcomed me, and they are like, you know, like feel at home and this and that. And they're not like, you know, साथ में ही बैठेगा गप मारेगा, ऐसे नहीं. They were just bindas, like a biker should be, right? Bindas, अपना ही, they were in their own world and I was just doing my own thing. My friends were helping me set up a tent because I did not know how to set up, and also the whole experience was so new and it was so beautiful. But that one experience was, in a way, it's a very learning experience. And I would say to all the girls, like, please, like, you know, अपना सब कुछ ready रहना है, double check, triple check if you have things or not, you know, like, you know, ask if you're a new rider, ask your fellow bikers, you know, क्या लेकर जाना होता है क्या नहीं. And if you don't have things ready and all, you can borrow and all. उसके पास भी नहीं है तो then don't go.
Okay, so what are the bare minimal essentials that a girl has to have?
Bare minimum, obviously biking gear तो होना ही चाहिए.
What is the gear, biking gear?
Biking gear means like the proper biking, you know, jacket.
Jacket is called gear.
Yeah.
Okay.
The jacket and the pants and all, where, like, you know, this.
Put together, they are called gears.
Yes, and it's like really, really heavy and all like that. Then proper.
Are they expensive?
Obviously. They're very expensive. I had no idea when I got into this thing. Like, I actually got into a very, very expensive hobby and I had no idea. क्योंकि एक तो बाइक लेने में हवा टाइट हो जाता है, इट्स सो एक्सपेंसिव, राइट. उसके बाद में ये मॉडिफिकेशन, वो रे हैंडल ठीक नहीं है, आपको ये चेंज करना है, वो.
I'm getting my cushion ready. So I changed my leg guard. I don't know how it is. How my coat is disturbing. Let me show it to you. So that's my leg guard. पिछली बार मैंने ये पीछे रखा था. So you know weight बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया था पीछे में because the panniers was also 45 liters. This is 35. I changed the panniers too. So सारा a lot of makeovers. And I got this mesh and this my cushion. You saw मेरा मम्मी वाला तो इतना काम नहीं कर रहा था. So ये बहुत अच्छा है. And I bought this magnetic one. Last time was not the magnetic type. So वो सारा ना वो engine के यहाँ से heat up होके वो जल गया था. So it was causing a lot of problem. Let me show you what all I have inside. So ये for the fog, for the ये भी change किया है मैंने सब कुछ. Almost लगभग सब कुछ change किया है. Then this is, as you can see, and yeah, I don't know if I'll be needing this or not, but I still carried it. Chain cleaner and the lubricant. My charger was a constant problem last time. ये भी नया लगाया है and for charging point भी मैंने नया बनाया है. So yeah, यहाँ पर होगा. And new gloves. थोड़ा पतला because now it's not really cold. I have waterproof ones also. And my wind cheater, my sunscreen, just to clean my bike. And obviously my scarf तो होना ही है. And what else? Oh yeah, my big pad, extra big pad. Actually carrying two this time. And this is the seat inflator. What else? Oh yeah, this is for vlogging. I purchased this too this time. Last time I really regretted not having because I missed out on a lot of cool videos that I could have made. So let's see, आज का experience क्या रहता है. So this is it after all the modification. I'm happy with my bike. Let's see its performance too.
इतना ज़्यादा लग जाता है उसके बाद में, फिर उसके बाद गियर्स का, फिर एक्सेसरीज का, बहुत बहुत इट्स
Yeah, carry on with that answer. So you need to have gears, and then what else?
and if you go like I would say this is funny, but then like like if you have this spray and all like that just for protection and all like that, and
Okay,
obviously
pepper spray.
pepper spray and all, and then obviously the biking toolkits and all, like kuch kharab ho gaya, the brake pads and all like that, then so many things like just extras में तो लेके जाना ही है, like your accelerator का भी वो बार बार वो टूट जाता है ना, so वो सब चीज़ तो एक्स्ट्रास में लेके जाना ही है. एंड ऑब्वियसली फूड तो थोड़ा सा अपना खुद कुछ पैक करके तो लेना ही.
We do see, on newspapers that there has been expeditions from the bikers clubs and bullet clubs and all. Where do they exactly go, and what exactly is the purpose, and what exactly happens there?
एक्सपीडिशंस में नॉर्मली कभी कभी ऐसा होता है, इट्स नॉट द बाइकर हु लाइक propose such things and give it to the government, we'll go here and there. कभी कभी करते हैं बाइकर्स, कभी कभी इट्स लाइक द टूरिज्म डिपार्टमेंट उनको बुलाते हैं कि फॉर लाइक
Awareness.
हाँ अवेयरनेस लाइक ड्रग्स का, या तो टूरिज्म का होने से ये फॉर प्रमोशन ऑफ टूरिज्म, लाइक ये ऑफ रोडिंग ये सब, या तो जगह दिखाना
It
ब्यूटीफुल.
becomes a big event. No, it's everywhere on social media. Like,
Yeah, and because they are very active, I think somehow the people who watch the social media thing, they like to see a biker, and they get, because most of them are like avid travelers also, they travel a lot, and so people follow and काफी coverage हो जाता है and all like that, and they are actually, bikers are like really good customers also.
of what?
Customers also like कुछ भी खाने पीने का हो
Okay.
या like रहने के लिए also, they spend, they थोड़ा वो बिंदास होते हैं, हाथ खुला होते हैं, I don't know what, so they make good customers and they make good they do a lot of thing blogging and also, so all in all good package I guess.
Uh, like, don't mind my question, but is it for vanity,
Mhm.
or is it just for passion? I hope you understood my question. Vanity means
Definitely.
yeah. Please go
Yeah,
ahead.
it could be for passion for somebody, it could be for vanity, it's like like to show off and and like some girls can be doing that also, it's like some are hardly riding and they basically dance around the bike also, wo bhi hota hai. Lot of funny things are happening, some are like really serious riders who I take inspiration from, and I want to be like them. It's like when they are doing it, it's like I would love to be, they are like inspiration. It's like they're breaking barriers and they're doing this and that, and they make things seem possible.
So, can it ever happen that all these bikers clubs go to an expedition by themselves and never put on social media?
Yes, there are some. See, not everybody is a blogger and who likes the attention and all. There are some who really do like hardcore off-road riding and all like that, but they are not putting up on social media. They just keep it within their own circles, and it's not for coverage and all. They just like to like break like from one point to another. They went like they've conquered this area, they've conquered that area. वो सब भी है. So क्या बोले, I like them also, like अच्छा है.
So, whenever some government agencies are involved in such kind of bike trips, if accidents happen, do these agencies take any accountabilities, or is it all by themselves, the bikers?
Excuse me, I think unfortunately and fortunately I mean like ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं है, but अगर ऐसा कुछ हुआ है तो since it's under their banner तो वो होना चाहिए.
होना
And
चाहिए.
I don't think so अरुणाचल गवर्नमेंट या तो टूरिज्म गवर्नमेंट या तो यूथ अफेयर्स डिपार्टमेंट कोई उसको रिप्रेजेंट करके जा रहा है, ऐसे नेग्लेक्ट कर दिया वाला केस, आई डोंट थिंक सो दैट वुड हैपन. दे डेफिनेटली टेक केयर.
Yeah, okay. So accidents तभी होगा ना जब let's say the bikers उतना trained नहीं हो.
Mhm.
So do you think some training institutes are needed actually?
Definitely, definitely. I feel we should have race courses also, like for bikings and cars. Northeast, I think our people are built in that creative side. बहुत ज़्यादा वो है
We are
adventure.
adrenaline junkies.
Yes, exactly. And somehow we don't have all these. I heard few years back कि ऐसा कुछ uh, it was about to start up and all, but I don't know why it never took off. It's really disappointing actually. And I feel अगर ये सब है ना, see अरुणाचल में भी road connectivity ये सब तो अभी ही बहुत strong हो रहा है. We've actually been off-roading all our lives. So I saw in Kurungkume, ये ना aunties and औरत लोग के ना इतना that was in Kradadi that back then, and this is raining. The road was so bad, and like bike में जा रहे हैं and आ रहे हैं. Imagine if these aunties or the youngsters who are like off-roading to their workplaces every day or to their home and offices this way and all, if they get a chance, थोड़ा सा एक छोटा सा training थोड़ा सा मिल जाए, I think like Arunachal ka best riders and like drivers, like racers and all, सारा अरुणाचल से आएगा, नॉर्थ ईस्ट से आएगा.
Okay.
I truly believe in it because we
I-
are already trained. We just need थोड़ा सा
We just need थोड़ा सा formal training.
formal training where they'll just teach us the rules. Like आपको ये करना है कि they are already trained
हाँ
actually.
हाँ हाँ. मतलब muscle memory तो है.
पूरा है.
अब इसे mind में कुछ formalities डालना है.
Exactly. I mean, they are ready. We just need the race courses and the.
So that means there are competitions which are lucrative, which can give you some good future as well, secure your future.
Why not? इतना heavily dependent on government jobs. अभी देखो कितना सारा entrepreneurs आ गया, इतना सारा ये business line में सब लोग जा रहा है, like sons and daughters of like really big officers and politicians, वो लोग सब जा रहे हैं because there is scope. अभी तो people are looking beyond. So ये सब चीज़ में भी I think there is like lot of scope, and somehow ये दिमाग में ही नहीं आ रहा है कि this can be made, biking can be made a profession, driving can be made a profession, and also वो किसी का तो वो दिमाग वो एंगल में जा ही नहीं रहा है.
मेरा भी नहीं जा रहा है because if you are pursuing driving, all you can become is a driver. But race course driver where
So-
you can actually make money,
Hmm.
like Michael Schumachers and all.
हाँ,
That's a possibility, right?
why not?
कभी सोचा ही नहीं इस बारे में, हो सकता है.
हाँ वही ना, वो ये तो ये मेंटालिटी हो गया ना. आप एयर होस्टेस है तो इट्स लाइक you're waitress. That's how some people see it, right? वो तो बहुत गलत
I didn't mean
perception
that.
हो गया.
मतलब
हाँ, नहीं, not you.
मतलब मेरा
The take of lot of people. It's
टेंजेंट
like
वो
that.
था कि
Exactly.
ये मोटर स्पोर्ट्स होता है ना,
Mhm.
इट्स बियॉन्ड आवर सिलेबस बेसिकली.
Exactly.
तो वो वी आर कंडीशन, मतलब एटलीस्ट आई एम कंडीशन दैट वे. कभी सोचा नहीं कि मैं अपना भाई बंधु को कभी बोलूंगा यू राइड सो वेल,
Hmm.
कभी ट्राई करो मोटर स्पोर्ट में
हाँ.
compete करने के लिए. तो वो कभी सोचा, अभी आया. इट्स ए पॉसिबिलिटी में.
It's a big possibility. इतना सारा. In fact, तेईस like अभी मैं एंकरिंग भी बहुत करती हूँ. So that's like the side hustle I do apart from my office hours. So what we are getting is like I'm happy because we're making good money. But I hear that in the cities, like people are really earning a lot. It's a whole like you can actually leave your job and just focus on that only. They're earning in like lakhs and beyond that also. So it's a very good profession. लेकिन अभी see like कुछ साल पहले तो just government jobs. अभी फिर थोड़ा business में सब लोग entrepreneurs बुला के वो क्या क्या लगा कर
द
वो
न्यू
चाह रहे हैं.
वेव.
हाँ तो अभी न्यू वेव रेसिंग में आना है, like बाइक रेसिंग में आना है, कार रेसिंग में आना है, देन एंकरिंग में आना है. आई थिंक there's a lot of things that's going to come up.
एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप हो या एंकरिंग हो,
Hmm.
showbiz industry ho,
Mhm.
somehow the parents are okay sending their wards or their children
Mhm.
to explore. But biking and racing, it's life threatening, no? So how do you convince the parents? Is it not, first
Tell
of all?
it true, very true.
With
But
all
what?
with all the gears at place, still it's life threatening.
Yes, but what is not threatening? You tell me that.
Anchoring
कभी
is not
घर
threatening.
में बैठ के means like वो see a biking somebody who's like that like adventurous kind of soul, if you make that person, you know, like एंकरिंग में उसे घुसा दे उसे वो एलडीसी यूडीसी में उसको जबरदस्त बिठा दे, इट्स लाइक यू नो वो ऐसे बैठे बैठे मर जाएगा, ही विल नॉट बी एबल टू, उसको वो चाहिए उसको
Yeah, this was good. ये सही बोला आपने. So there are some DNAs जो ऐसा ही बनता है, जो
ऐसा ही
ऐसा ही
बनता है,
है,
and
and
you cannot
that needs
stop them.
expression.
Yes.
That needs its not manifestation. That needs its क्या बोलेंगे उसको, put on practice. वो जरूरी है.
Exactly.
नहीं तो वो ऐसे ही डिप्रेशन में खत्म हो जाएगा,
हाँ,
जिसको पता
हाँ.
भी नहीं चलेगा किसी को. हाउ वुड एनीवन आइडेंटिफाई कि ये इसलिए डिप्रेस है क्योंकि उसको बाइकिंग में कम्पीट करने नहीं मिल रहा है.
Exactly.
दैट्स अ पॉसिबिलिटी, राइट?
Huh. And then you ask a lot of bikers. For them, it's not just about biking. For them, it's like, you know, stress buster. It gives them new ideas. They come back rejuvenated. It's like, it's just different feeling. Like when I sit on a bike, like I forget everything and I'm like so happy. I don't know किस चीज़ के लिए क्या इतना हमको अच्छा लग रहा है, हमको भी खुद ही समझ नहीं आता, लेकिन मैं इतना खुश हो जाती हूँ मैं. So I cannot explain.
Is it natural or is it conditioned mind that you have to be happy, that's why you become happy, or actually you become happy
I
as
don't
it
think
is?
so. It's conditioned because सब तो मना ही कर रहे थे मत लो.
No,
So
like
it's
being
like,
happy, what I'm saying is like,
Hmm.
let's say you are right now making a statement that you become really happy when you ride bikes, right?
Mhm.
And listening to you, some other prospective riders would assume that if you ride bikes, you become happy. And with that assumption, there's a subtle conditioning that
that you need to ride bikes.
no, that
What?
you need to be happy when you ride bike. Or perhaps in a natural sense, he's not a happy person while riding bike.
Hmm.
So that's what did you understand the question?
I got you. So it's like, you know, it's like conditioning a person कि like, you know, आप पढ़ेगा तो आप ऑफिसर बनेगा, लेकिन सब आदमी ऑफिसर बन जाता है क्या? नहीं पड़ता है ना.
बिल्कुल नहीं बनता.
हाँ, so like that only, like आप बाइकिंग करेगा तो जिसको सैड रहना वो सैड ही रहेगा.
सही है. Okay, so आपने एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के बारे में अभी बोले हैं.
Mhm.
You yourself are an entrepreneur, right?
Yes.
You own a company called Orobrook.
Yes.
Hi, I'm Tenzin Metto, CEO of Orobrook, a startup on traditional attires.
First of all, the name itself is so fascinating. You told about the meaning of Orobrook in Sissy Talks last year.
Yes.
I kind of remember it meant dragon,
Yes. Mountain dragon.
mountain dragon.
Yes.
Why did you put that? It's exotic, but still asking.
इट साउंड्स एग्जॉटिक, लेकिन कुछ भी एग्जॉटिक नहीं, क्योंकि हमारे बुद्धिस्ट लोग सर ऐसा है कि आप अगर जब तवांग मोमदिला में जाएंगे, हर जगह ड्रैगन होटल, ड्रैगन रेस्टोरेंट, यू नो, सब कुछ शंग्रीला होटल, शंग्रीला, ये ऐसे ही नाम
What
होता है.
does Shangri-La mean?
शंग्रीला, आई थिंक
You think or you know?
no, आई एम काइंड ऑफ कंफ्यूज राइट नाउ. शंग्रीला मीन्स लाइक हेवन, राइट?
I don't know. You're asking.
Yeah, heavenly abode, I think.
Okay,
That's what it is.
Okay.
So it's like जब हम बोला मम्मी को हम ये करना चाहता है, she's like dragon निको dragon. She's like, because her zodiac sign is dragon.
Okay.
So I'm like, dragon sounds.
Zodiac sign?
हाँ,
Dragon?
हमारा जो zodiac signs होता है ना, जो snake होता है, dragon. You know, sir,
Buddhist
did you
zodiac
know?
sign.
हाँ, Buddhist zodiac sign. Did you know कि like unlike other you know, like where the snake is, like especially in some religion and all, like where snake is seen as the evil, the enticer who enticed, like, you know, Eve to eat that apple, like, you know, forbidden apple, and like they were cast away. Like हमारे Buddhism में the snake is a very wise, matured, foresighted, whatever being, whoever has that snake zodiac sign. So there's बहुत अच्छा connotation. Whoever has that zodiac sign is like really.
Is it known to every Buddhist?
Lot of them they don't know.
Yeah, perhaps.
don't
Yeah,
know,
because I have a lot of friends following Buddhism. They have never told me about this aspect.
Yes, and जिसका कोई snake है ना, वो बोलना भी थोड़ा शर्म करते हैं. When we say like, अरे आपका वो केकर क्या, आपका वो क्या है, वो लोप्ता, we call it लोप्ता, आपका लोप्ता क्या है, like that. Then when it's a snake, they shy away थोड़ा सा करते हैं. But what they don't know is like, it's actually so good to be a snake. Yes.
Never thought about snake that way, because even in, let's say, the movie Mowgli, you know, that car, that python, shown that it hypnotizes the person who's looking. So that has the image that has been created in the pop culture. What?
इनफैक्ट हमारे में ऐसा होता है कि कैट स्नेक को ऐसे मारे तो इतना पाप मिलता है, इतना पाप मिलता है, इट्स लाइक अगर आप कैट को मार डाले, सी सम प्लेसेस एंड सम ट्राइब्स आर एक्चुअली ईटिंग द कैट एंड ऑल लाइक दैट। तो हमारे में तो यू कांट इवन इमेजिन, एक कैट को आप बाई मिस्टेक भी मार दिया ना, दे से लाइक इतना हजार आप कैट को बना भी ले गोल्ड में, तो इट विल नॉट लाइक वो आपका पाप प्रायश्चित नहीं होगा, ऐसे बोलते हैं।
Is it Buddhist philosophy or is it community philosophy?
बुद्धिस्ट फिलोसफी।
Buddhist philosophy is
Yes.
standard to all the Buddhists,
या
at least the Mahayana sect.
yes, that I can vouch on.
Okay, okay.
I hope they'll not kill me if I'm wrong, but yes.
Disclaimer: we are not claiming here to be expert of anything, right?
Yes,
Just
yes.
two people discussing things.
Yes.
Yeah. All right. Okay, so continuing with the oral book stuff. So, what product or services does your company provide?
It's now there is since we last spoke just recently in the month of December, we are now an NGO. Now it's not Orobrook, it's Orobrook Federation. So we've just converted into an NGO, and now we are thinking of expanding not only just to the textile industries but also education, health sector, and this and that. It's very early and haven't started anything as yet. A lot of projects on the way. We're
Why?
just thinking. Mm,
You are the brain behind everything, right? Or do you have partners?
yeah, my mom is the chairman. I am
Wow.
the vice chairman.
Okay.
So
It's a family business.
it's a family business, yes. I feel like, if I'm doing this business, it has to be beyond just textiles and like fashions and all like that. That money should go into something, like when we actually start making profit, I would really like Orobrook to be able to sponsor few students education. क्योंकि sir आपने देखा होगा मोनपा में compared to a lot of tribes, we are like quite wealthy. We are doing well because हमारा वो tourism, because of Tawang, ये सब बहुत inflow होते हैं और but somehow I feel educationally we are still lagging a lot behind.
You're not thinking like an entrepreneur. You're thinking like a statesman.
Uh, yeah, but it should percolate into action also, which it hasn't. So it would be it would be very embarrassing if I don't live up to my with the vision that I have started it. So बहुत कुछ है, and especially if you know about the Brokpas also.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah.
yeah, the Brokpas also like क्या है कि ना sir, like because of the yak and the yak milk and everything, so they are actually rich. You cannot say they are poor, but education was like almost zero. कोई वहाँ से
By education, do you mean the degrees and all?
degrees, literacy. Yeah, I mean.
Why would anyone want this if you can sustain your life just like that? I mean, what's the purpose of degree, let's say?
So what is so bad in it? See, देखो मैं I studied for civils all my life. I did not make it,
I don't
but
know.
I have completely ventured into a line that I have not even prepared for. I have not given any time and all, and I'm actually making money out of it. But whatever I learned, what I studied there, so it's somehow it comes to use. Like it, मुझे लगता है ना sir, education ये सब में, especially when you're preparing for some competitive exams and all, the hours you need to sit and put, like you need to sit and like जो आपका resilience जो इतना ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है, it helps everywhere. It never goes a waste. And what if you do a business knowing that business a little more better, if you are more well informed, उसमें खराबी क्या है? जान के रखने में उसमें it comes to, it never goes a waste ना sir.
Yeah, I do agree. But like you mentioned the Drogpas and all, I see them very self-sufficient.
Yes.
I don't know if I'm making a good statement.
No,
but,
they are very well sufficient. But
so education per se at times corrupt your normal. By corruption I don't mean corruption wala. It adulterates your mind with some noisy information as well, which may not be needed. If
I completely agree with you, but I think that's when you have half knowledge ना. जब आप half knowledge करके वो आधा में आएंगे, then you would want to build malls and you want to like cut down the trees and you want to start like like the stone houses that actually is like suitable for that climate. You want to break an RCC start करना. That's when it's wrong. But when you study deeper and like you have broadened your horizon, like literally, like बहुत अच्छी तरह से पढ़ के, तो
Basically,
then
you want to raise the consciousness
yes,
through
exactly. Then
education.
you would actually, you would be saving your culture and tradition. You try to promote it. You would try to expand it, and you do better.
Wow, that is so nice, actually. I mean.
Thank you, sir.
So, since the last time we met,
Yes.
this is the development that has happened. You have
Okay.
converted your, company into an NGO,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Congratulations and all
Thank
the
you,
best for
sir.
that.
Thank you so much.
But then here's a catch again. The textile industry or the fashion industry, it is said that they produce a lot of garbage and somehow they attenuate, I mean, the environmental conditions that degrade it. What do you have to say about that? You have that, let's say people point fingers at you, textile industry and all, and now you were talking about cutting, the forest and making malls and all.
Mm-hmm.
So
It contradicts. I agree with you, sir. But I'm somebody who has, like, if I do a business where it contradicts my beliefs, I wouldn't do it. लेकिन मैं even though I'm in a fashion industry, but it's like textile traditional attires में मैं कर रही हूँ. So I don't feel guilty, sir, क्योंकि एक तो traditional, see, we are trying to revive the traditional attires that actually was like, like extinct होने वाला था. We are reviving वो sector में. And traditional attires इतना expensive होता है. See, कुछ चीज़ जो हम लोग आजकल इतना सारा जैकेट्स जो 300-400 रुपए मिल जाते हैं, it's like, they are like literally so much of waste, like, just one time wear, like 1 year में हम लोग फिर, it stretches out, this and that. Traditional attire इतना expensive होता है. Monpa का traditional attire, if you buy like Eddie वाला like 27,000, if you buy the whole set,
Oh my
30,000, ऐसा होता है. So it's like you're just buying one. इतना ज़्यादा हम लोग pollution कहाँ वो वेस्टेज कहाँ से आ रहा है ही नहीं. And another best thing about traditional attires is like, it never goes
why
out
is
of
it so
style.
expensive?
Eddie, the fabric,
हाँ,
हैंड वोवन है.
हाँ.
सो इसमें तो फिर पोल्यूशन का सवाल ही कहाँ है. मीन्स लाइक
Yeah, that's
वो
correct.
तो या हैंड वोवन है. एंड
That's
इट्स लाइक द थिंग अबाउट हैंड वोवन is why it's so expensive is like a lot of people, they don't know, and I've always repeated this so many times, ki the bags and all, whatever is hand woven, the gale, the wraparounds, for those people who do not know, so the wraparounds that we wear, no, ये
Sarongs.
तो हाँ 20 साल 25 साल भी वो पुराना ही नहीं होता है. the ones that is hand woven, so it's like, तो कहाँ पर वेस्टेज हम. और see, it's like if you wear the same thing again and again, traditional attires में it never goes out of style. It doesn't look like I'm wearing it too many times. So जितना बार भी पहनो, it looks good. So people are repeating that again and again. So I don't think so. ट्रेडिशनल अटायर्स में जो बिजनेस कर रहा है, फैशन इंडस्ट्री जो भी है इसमें, तो उसमें इतना वेस्टेज तो होता नहीं है. पोल्यूशन का तो ऑब्वियसली कमी है. ऑफ कोर्स अभी तो थोड़ा सा मशीन मेड ये सब में जा रहा है, बट देन अगेन द कॉस्ट इज अगेन द डिमांड एंड सप्लाई, वो चीज़ हो जाता है. फिर बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव है, तो वी कैन नॉट रियली प्रमोट आर कल्चर लाइक आउटसाइड. एंड लोग, बाहर के लोग, तो वाई वुड दे इन्वेस्ट 27,000 30,000 इन अ अटायर दैट डज नॉट बिलोंग टू देयर स्टेट और देयर whatever, like tribe and all like that, तो वो क्यों लेंगे. तो उसको
Correct.
थोड़ा सा सस्ता में भी हमें देना कि it's what to say, necessary evil, I would have to say that.
So, who buys these 27,000-30,000 attires?
हमारे locals like obviously if we are
They
like
have to be really rich to buy, clothes that amount. I mean, that big amount.
not really, because अभी जैसे कि villages में तो women are weaving it themselves, so obviously इतना expensive उनके लिए पड़ता नहीं है. So they are doing it all by themselves, तो उनके लिए इतना खर्चा होता ही नहीं है. And the weavers and all, they get a lot of support from the textile industry departments also. So उनको like पूरा वो the क्या कहते हैं उसे, the सूता ये सब तो फ्री में ही मिल जाता है. So cost तो फिर it balances out.
Okay. So, when you actually claim to be reviving traditional attire, with the intent to, maintain and promote your traditional culture, are you not actually entering a dangerous zone where your elders might raise questions that you or she or he is not representing the tradition in its proper form.
Yes.
Have you ever come across such kind of?
Yes, almost every day. It's a very, मुझे लगता है ना, after this is the 5th year running, after so many years, this is a very difficult business. And what people need to understand is like, people like us, we could have actually gone for some other business जो बहुत easy है. Like let's say department stores मैंने खोल लिया. I'll make double profit, and like, you know, it's easily available in the market. I'll just go buy and like, you know, sell it, and I'm making more profit, and like it's like, you know, selling out each day and all. There are no dead stocks and all like that. Traditional attires में एक तो business करो. मैंने खरीदा ही कपड़ा है कुछ recently. I made a coat. So the weaver who made it for the coat, just the जो weaving करके उसने दिया है, it took her entire 1 month, and she charged me 35,000.
Hmm.
अभी वही कपड़ा का था. अभी उसका मैं कोट बनाऊंगी, उसका स्टिचिंग स्पेशल होगा क्योंकि नॉट एवरीबडी कैन स्टिच दैट. उसका तो मैं रेट लगाऊंगी क्या?
Hmm.
मीन्स अगर मैं ज़्यादा लगाऊँ तो जब तक मुझे अभी देखो स्टिचिंग विचिंग करके वो करके कम से कम मुझे अगर 50,000 मिल जाए, दैट्स व्हेन आई मेक अ प्रॉफिट. अभी मैं ज़्यादा रखूंगी, उससे ज़्यादा रखूँ या तो उससे ज़्यादा कम करूँ, तो you know, like if I make it too expensive, like even the rich people would think twice before buying that jacket. Even though it will last 30 years, 50 years, nobody wants.
Madam, my question was,
Yes.
do you have to confront the elders about?
Oh, I'm really sorry. Yes, we have to. Sometimes क्या होता है कि they are like, you know, they it happens all the time. I wouldn't name the tribe. So they started with curtains and all like that in the traditional prints patterns. So again, the elders were like, you know, like क्यों curtain sofa set क्यों बना दिया? It's like you're disrespecting and all. So these kind of things. लेकिन अगर see, we have to as designers, as like, you know, entrepreneurs and all, if you want, we have to think about, let's say somebody from Pune.
Hmm.
Why will she wear my traditional attire which she's not very comfortable in? She would love to take back home a curtain, maybe a sofa set, है ना, sofa cover. तो उसको तो वो काम नहीं आएगा ना मैं ट्रेडिशनल अटायर पर. वहाँ पर इतना अजीब लगेगा वो मेरा ट्रेडिशनल अटायर पहन के घूम रही है पुणे में, है ना. सो शुड लाइक अ बैग और शुड लाइक समथिंग एल्स, लाइक, यू नो, सम होम डेकोर लाइक थिंग. सो आई हैव टू, अगर हमें ना वो अपना कल्चर को प्रमोट करना, वी हैव टू गो बियॉन्ड द लिमिटेड थॉट्स, ना थोड़ा आगे जाना है. वी हैव टू थिंक अबाउट आवर, यू नो, वी आर लाइक, यू नो, हमारा वो बिजनेस चलता नहीं है, इट्स नॉट एक्सपेंडिंग. जब तक कंज्यूमर्स हर जगह से फ्रॉम डिफरेंट स्टेट्स स्टार्ट बाइंग, और जब तक वो नहीं खरीदेंगे तो कहाँ एक्सपेंड होगा. सो अगेन फिर डिफरेंट स्टेट्स का डिफरेंट है, तो उनको फिर कुर्ता में चाहिए होगा पैटर्न, तो फिर उसमें फिर हमारा एल्डर्स लोग. सो दैट कॉन्फ्लिक्ट इज कंस्टेंटली देयर. इट्स रियली रियली डिफिकल्ट समटाइम्स. इतना एग्जॉस्ट हो जाता है कभी कभी, लगता है कि ये छोड़ दूँ, कुछ और सिंपल बिजनेस पकड़ूँ जहाँ पर, यू नो, लाइक आई कैन मेक 50% प्रॉफिट, 100% प्रॉफिट. यू हैव टू रियली, जितना ये साल में मैं ये बिजनेस में हूँ, यू हैव टू रियली हैट्स ऑफ टू ऑल दोज पीपल हु आर इन दिस बिजनेस, क्योंकि वी कुड हैव एक्चुअली गॉन फॉर अदर बिजनेसेस. लाइक इट्स पैशन जिसने हमें ये रुका के रखा है. नहीं तो देयर इज नथिंग जो प्रॉफिटेबल, जो इतना बोल रहा है, इतना प्रॉफिटेबल है ही नहीं ये बिजनेस.
Passion है, and you want to create value as I
वैल्यू
understand.
एंड लाइक, यू नो, डू समथिंग लाइक यू फील प्राउड ऑफ, लाइक, यू नो, कल्चर को रिवाइव किया मैंने, सस्टेन किया मैंने, ये किया है, वो एक अच्छा फील होता है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट देयर इज नथिंग लाइक, यू नो, प्रॉफिट टू इतना बहुत ज़्यादा बना रहा है, चुम्मा से मेकिंग है ही नहीं इसमें.
You are making money through anchoring,
यस
through the day job that you're doing.
यस
So this is something that comes from your heart, okay?
exactly. That's you just you know, like you spoke my mind.
Fine. Confronting with your elders is one thing. Then see, every community has a certain set of motif and patterns in their code of dressing, right?
Yes.
There is a possibility of people copying them and putting their
True.
labels there. So there's a threat of copyright issue.
Yes.
How do you handle these things?
That's the saddest part, and which we all designers of Arunachal right now, we've actually got together, we've made a group, formed a group, and this is a question we are having a hard time trying to solve it. क्योंकि क्या है कि अगर मैं कुछ डिज़ाइन अपना बनाऊं एंड मैं लाइक, यू नो, इफ़ आई लाइक, वो मैं उसके लिए वो कर दूं, क्या बोलते हैं,
Copyright,
नहीं
patent.
हाँ, मैं पेटेंट कर दूं, तो इट्स लाइक, क्या होता है कि मैं कुछ डिज़ाइन बनाया अभी ट्रेडिशनल अटायर में, आई कैन नॉट पेटेंट इट, क्योंकि those designs were forever existing. We picked up the designs of our culture and we've used, so it has to be our own creation.
Correct.
अभी मैं अपना creation करूँ तो फिर वो traditionally नहीं रहेगा.
Correct.
So it's a conflict. I am creative enough to make my own designs, but again, it will not be a Monpa design. Nobody will relate to it and बोलेगा क्या बना दिया, क्या है ये तो traditional है ही नहीं. So चेंज फिर वही सेम करूँ तो फिर उसमें कॉपीराइट हो जाता है एंड देन उसके बाद में लॉट ऑफ द डिजाइनर्स दे हैविंग प्रॉब्लम की लाइक यू नो वो उसको R&D में हमारा सबसे ज़्यादा खर्चा होता है. इट्स लाइक मोर देन द एंड प्रोडक्ट कम्स आफ्टर समटाइम्स आफ्टर जो मैं जैकेट बोल रही हूँ 50,000 60,000 है मेरा. इट टुक अ होल ईयर ऑफ R&D. इतना
R&D में क्या चलता है? Like what research is being done there?
रिसर्च मीन्स इन द पैटर्न्स इन द डिज़ाइंस को थोड़ा सा अच्छा बेहतर बनाए उसको थोड़ा सा इसमें इंक्लूड करे एंड लाइक ओरोब्रुक डजंट डू जस्ट रैंडम लाइक इंक्लूजन. वी डू समथिंग दैट इज लाइक यू नो दैट हैज़ सम मीनिंग इन आवर सोसाइटी. जैसे कि हमारा वो हॉर्स का मीनिंग है, पिकॉक, मंकी, रैबिट, ये सब होता है. कुछ इंक्लूजन करे तो हमारा ऐसा होता है. सो इट्स लाइक यू नो वो सब नहीं होने से इट जस्ट डजंट मेक एनी सेंस.
Hmm.
So again, so that is an issue. So वो लोग कॉपी कर देता है and we can't even fight back and then R&D में फिर ये इतना ज़्यादा खर्चा होने के बाद में फिर इसके बाद में like let's say कि some designer she's keeping यहाँ पर ना फिर वो बाहर के लोग आना नहीं चाहते. उनको जैसे तैसे बुला के उसको घर में बैठाने का फ्री रेंट फ्री उसको सब कुछ वो फैमिली लेके आते ऊपर से. एंड देन यू हैव टू पे देम आल्सो एंड इट्स लाइक कम नहीं होता. मे बी यू डोंट हैव द नॉलेज बट देन दे आर वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. उसको 20 से तो कम दे ही नहीं सकते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. तो कपड़ा जो लाइक उसका इतना खर्चा हो के उसने 20,000 30,000 में जो एक गाले सेट को पूरा वो बिगड़े किया है बिकॉज उनको रहन ऑब्वियसली यू हैव टू लाइक यू नो इंक्लूड ऑल दोस एक्सपेंसेस ऑल्सो राइट. सो इट्स लाइक कंप्यूटर वो डिज़ाइनर को भी फिर अलग से पे करता है ऐसे कर. तो वो चीज़ लेके फिर इन असम एरियाज में वो लोग ने 5,000 3,000 में ऐसे बेच देते हैं. They do mass production, they copy वो machine made में बना देते हैं and all like that. And so this has been so discouraging and a lot of them have left it also. They've ventured into another business and all. So we are actually struggling to stay in this line of business.
Sounds like you're battling, you're fighting a war against so many unfortunate possibilities.
Not just me, all the designers. So we're like इसलिए ना it's
तो कोई
like
तो प्रोटेक्ट करने का कोई एजेंसी होना चाहिए एक्चुअली.
तो प्रोटेक्ट करे तो फिर वही we've spoken to a lot of lawyers then they say like you cannot like you know there's no then we are also kind of struggling to find out the answer. Some say like हाँ किसी lawyer ने तो ये बोला है अभी बात करेंगे and all. Then we are also busy with our own life and all like that. So most of the designers they are multitasking क्योंकि इससे ही पैसा नहीं आ रहा है. So they are doing some other side. So I'm working, then I do anchoring. So ये सबसे मेरा पैसा थोड़ा सा वो मैं adjust कर लेती हूँ. So the others are also doing this. So we are all too busy so to get together and like you know what to do and all. So बीच में मिलते हैं. It just started. It's a very in the very initial stage. Let's see what happens in the near future.
We have hit the 1 hour mark.
Yes.
We are just starting NBT again, so maybe I should limit myself to 1 hour mark.
Yes.
Although I really wish to continue, there are a lot of things to discuss. There are a lot of things to know. I myself need a lot of insights about the things that you do.
Thank you for listening so patiently and trying to understand, like, you know, especially designers and what goes on. किसी ने अभी तक इतना पूछा ही नहीं. Nobody has ever tried to find out why things are the way it is or why it's so expensive. So it's like very few people, you know, actually try to know कि क्या हो रहा है. Why is it that way? You know?
Is there anything else you want to share to me and to my viewers, whoever is interested or want to know about your industry?
Those who are interested in the industry will have to be, I think, you know, like if you have very limited amount of money, like, you know, to start off, then it's like it would be wiser that, you know, you'll have to do some other business along with this also. You cannot just bank on this only. Up to make your name and to become that famous, it takes many years. So it's like, you know, side hustles तो करना ही होगा, and then once it's set, then that's a different story. But you have to be ready क्योंकि materials ही इतना expensive है, एडी आप खरीदेंगे, like that, आप just कपड़ा का ही 3,000 5,000 होता है, फिर उसमें रेट तो obviously ज़्यादा हो गई, so you have to be prepared.
Uh, so what's coming up for you? What do you think you would be doing 5 years from now?
Mm, maybe all these things that I'm doing, I'd be on these lines. Hopefully, I'm more better set and I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. But I'd keep working. That's something I'm sure about.
Okay. Okay. Before we end, do you have something to ask me?
So, you maybe if I have to ask you something, it's you said where do I see myself in 5 years? So maybe I'd like to put the question back to you.
Oh, okay. 5 years from now, I am somebody who is ever curious. I am somebody who pursues truth. हिंदी में बोलेगा तो सत्य.
Okay.
तो जितना पॉसिबल सत्य है दुनिया का मैं वो जानना चाहूँगा. तो my pursuit will keep on happening. So maybe 5 years down the line, I'll be a wiser person, owing to me understanding the reality in a deeper sense.
That sounds great, and I hope 5 years down the line again we meet and then we have this chat and
5 years down the line, we'll definitely meet, but we'll be meeting quite often. See, on this side of this table, I need speakers like you, with whom I can discuss at length about a certain topic. But there are many other aspects where I think we can have a very profound discussion. Perhaps let's say the real meaning of women empowerment, maybe the
I would love that, sir.
use or misuse of the term feminism,
Yes,
and a lot of other stuff. If you're okay with these topics,
I'm definitely okay, and I already have a lot of ideas and thoughts about them. So,
but my questions might be uncomfortable, and I might not concur to your point of view as well. I'll be challenging your point of views and all.
I'm ready.
Fantastic. Then we'll see each other again. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you for having me here.